breathe easy, live fresh. The AROEVE Air Purifier that does the dirty work for you. Why gamble with your lungs when the AROEVE Air Purifier has your back? This powerhouse filters air in spaces up to 1,095 square feet every hour, trapping dust, dander, pollen, and invisible nasties like a pro. Its impressive multi-layer filtration system leaves no pollutant unpunished, refreshing your home or office with clean, crisp air 24/7. Unlike bargain air purifiers that struggle in larger rooms, this beast clears the air with ease. Say goodbye to sniffles, pet dander, and mysterious odors. Your home just became a fresh air paradise. No more playing the "do I need to turn this thing up" guessing game. The built-in PM 2.5 sensor keeps a watchful eye on air quality, automatically adjusting fan speed to tackle pollutants. See that indicator turn yellow or red? That's your purifier saying, "Relax, I got this." It kicks into high gear, clearing out allergens and airborne intruders before they invade your lungs. Unlike basic purifiers that just run at a set speed, this one works smarter, not harder, ensuring every breath you take is pure, fresh, and oh so refreshing. Ever tried sleeping next to a jet engine? Neither have we, but some air purifiers sure make it feel that way. The AROEVE Air Purifier's sleep mode is whisper quiet, ensuring a peaceful, undisturbed night's rest. Even the lightest sleepers, or babies with superhuman hearing, won't notice it's on, but their lungs will. Unlike noisy competitors, this purifier refreshes your air without hijacking your dreams. You'll wake up feeling fresher, breathing easier, and ready to take on the day, all thanks to clean air that works while you sleep. Some air purifiers make changing the filter feel like dismantling a spaceship. Not this one. The easy access filter cover and pull rope design mean you're done in seconds, no stress, no mess. Simply swap out the filter every 3 to 6 months to keep performance at its peak. Plus, with affordable replacement filters, this isn't one of those buy once, regret forever purchases. Unlike overpriced purifiers that charge a fortune for maintenance, this one keeps your air clean without draining your wallet. More fresh air, less hassle, now that's a win-win. Who said clean air has to cost a fortune? The AROEVE Air Purifier delivers top-tier purification at a fraction of the price of high-end models. With dual air treatment technology, auto-sensing intelligence, and ultra-quiet operation, it's a tech-tested, budget-friendly powerhouse. While other purifiers struggle with large rooms or overpriced filters, this one excels in both performance and affordability. Whether you're battling pet dander, seasonal allergies, or just want fresher, cleaner air, this purifier is the ultimate game changer. Hit add to cart now and start breathing the difference today.